Imagine living in a world where sudden blackouts leave entire cities in darkness and electricity bills keep climbing higher every single month. What if I told you that a simple do-it-yourself device built with inexpensive materials could cut up to 90% off your energy costs? This isn't science fiction. It's a survival breakthrough called the Lost Generator, designed to be compact and surprisingly affordable. This system runs without expensive fuel, without relying on unstable power grids, and without requiring technical expertise. The idea is to take energy independence into your own hands. No matter if you live in a small apartment, a suburban house, or even off-it. The more you listen, the more you'll realize why thousands of families are turning to this solution for security, sustainability, and peace of mind during unpredictable times. So, how does it actually work? The Lost Generator is based on principles of renewable energy, leveraging natural magnetic force and energy conversion to produce power consistently. It's not about massive solar panels or costly wind turbines that need constant maintenance. Instead, it's a compact generator that you can assemble in just a few hours with materials that, in most cases, cost less than a dinner for two. Once set up, it starts supplying clean, renewable electricity that keeps lights on, refrigerators running, and devices charged even during outages. This means you can reduce your dependence on utility companies, avoid unpredictable bill spikes, and gain freedom that most people only dream of. Stay with me, because in a moment, I'll reveal the simple three-step process behind it and how anyone, even without technical knowledge, can make it work. The real question is, why isn't everyone using it already? The truth is, traditional energy providers don't want you to know solutions like this exist, because the more independent you become, the less money flows into their pockets. Think about it. Every month you pay your electricity bill, you're financing systems that are outdated, expensive, and harmful to the environment. By switching to a generator like this, you're not only saving money, but also protecting yourself from crises, blackouts, storms, or even global events that can disrupt power grids overnight. Families who've already tried it share stories of resilience. Kids studying with lights on during neighborhood outages, freezers keeping food preserved, and bills dropping to a fraction of what they used to be. Now, imagine having that same security for yourself and your loved ones. Before I wrap this up, let me leave you with this thought. Independence is power, both literally and figuratively. The Lost Generator isn't just about slashing bills, it's about taking back control over one of the most essential parts of modern life, energy. If you're tired of being at the mercy of electric companies and unpredictable blackouts, this is the time to act. Watch the full details, explore how to set it up, and decide if it's right for you. Don't wait until the next blackout reminds you how vulnerable your home really is. The future of energy freedom might just be in your hands. Tap the link in bio and see if this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for.